life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broke.
So this is the current status of the HQ. Those are the boxes of the mats that we've shipped out. That's everything we've got left. Not a lot, but you guys don't want to see this. You want to see the new Legacy rope box and the rope. Look at this, man. In the middle of shooting this is CJ Ducker. Gonna put his details on the screen now. CJ Ducker, was it? At CJ Ducker Media, right? That's the one, bro. This is the guy that made the first ever promo video for our brand. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it up in 3, 2. So yeah, that video was epic. I know you guys have all seen it. It's on my intro, I think, every single video. So this is the guy who created it. I mean, you guys haven't even met him. So this is the guy, the brains behind that video. Now he's gonna do the Legacy rope promo for us today. So listen, guys, we're gonna take you through what goes on in the background when we create these videos. CJ hopefully will let us know what goes on in his mind, and we can talk about how you kind of can piece together a kind of idea, think about shots, and if you guys ever want to get involved in promoting something, make sure you hook this guy up if you're in the London area as well, or wherever you are in the globe. So yeah, man, playing some tracks, and we're gonna get this day started. Right, so at the moment, CJ is taking the product shots of the rope. We've got the light set up. He's got his tripod. Do you want to talk us through what you're up to, mate?
Yeah, so right now, we're just getting some product shots of the new ropes.
Cool.
We're just trying to show the thickness of them, diameter of them, because a lot of you guys have been asking for these questions.
Wicked.
So we're just trying to give what the people want, and yeah, it's going to be really dope once it drops.
Sweet. So yeah, this guy is on it, and yeah, I'm really excited to get this out to you. This is the packaging that we went with in the end. Went for something clean. Got some details on the back, the features of the rope. Got here durable weighted rope, superior control, everything you guys know about our speed ropes. And yeah, we're gonna get it out. We're gonna be using it later on today. We're gonna go to a few different locations. CJ's got some cool little places that we need to go check out, and I literally can't wait, man. It's gonna be epic. So yeah, man.
You're working today?
I'm working. I'm doing Gigi's job today. What's up, mate? Oh yeah. How you doing? Order's gone out the door. I wish London could stay like. I'm always talking about the weather, but I wish London could stay like this. Now filming, getting ready shots at 5 o'clock. Gonna show you guys how to get ready in style.
Right, 3, 2, 1, action.
Now just walk out the door and just jump.
Yeah. I'm out. They run, we fly.
Literally.
Closer. Do you know anything about bad writing?
Yes, for the video, I really want it to be fast paced. So we want lots of movement, and just non-stop like transitions. So when you're walking or when you're getting ready, there's movement. You're then going out onto the tube, movement, coming out, movement.
Yeah. Right, guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit of storyboarding right now.
So this is how I imagine the video starts. We got a black screen.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna have the voiceover back to the camera, looking at the skyscrapers.
So now we are letting the sun. You can see the sun. We're letting the sun go down a little bit more. Then we're going to head into central London, basically around where I work, which is Canary Wharf, and we're going to try and shoot a sunset type of cinematic scene. Yeah, we're going to time this right and hopefully get it done. Yeah, a lot of thought needs to go into kind of building these storyboards and scripts. I'm going to be doing a voiceover as well, which is going to be pretty weird. I don't really like the way my voice sounds on camera, or yeah, it just sounds a bit weird. So I'm going to have to actually put in a little bit of an accent, speak a little bit better English so that most of the world can understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah. Forgot to mention, got a fresh trim as well, got hooked up last night. A little bit more neater, moustache a little bit neater, hair's looking good. Hey, Gigi's come to join the party. So what's up?
What's up?
Gigi enjoyed her birthday so much. She wanted to say thank you to everyone. Say thank you.
What?
Love the comments, guys. The comments from last...
Oh, the comments!
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about...
What are you eating? Haribo. The comments from last weekend's video was wicked.
Oh yeah, wait. Thank you so much for all the nice comments.
And I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen.
At Canary Wharf, people, we have got 15-20 minute window to catch the sunset. And if we get it, this view is gonna be absolutely epic. Would you jump in there for £1,000?
For £1,000?
Yeah. Gee, would you jump in there for tenner?
No.
Oh mate, you'd give me £1,000 for jumping in there.
Look at it. Oh my god, that
Listen,
is.
you'd give me 1,000 for jumping in there. It's a fine of £1,000. I don't get anything.
So we are looking to get to there. We don't see no bridge, and there's like all these flyers and stuff as well. Flipping out. Shit. Yo, look at this, man. Oh, he's getting mad. So we finally made it to the spot. There's a bridge. Decent. Nice little water here. Reflection. Boats. That could be the opening shot. Super excited. We've walked so far to get to this spot, but I've got to say, it is so epic.
Lay me down up in the ocean until you see no motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing no emotion. On your knees, show your devotion. My skin is black.
Stop it. I was wondering why I was watching some stories. Some serious. Yes, folks, what you're saying? 4 o'clock in the morning, we are in central London, heading to Millennial Bridge. We're going to try and shoot an epic shot. The last time I came on this bridge was 18 years ago, as a young whippersnapper on New Year's Eve, trying to have some fun. This is mental. There's about 2,000-3,000 people on this bridge trying to catch the fireworks. Look at this backdrop. Look at that art, guys. You guys are gonna love this shoot. I think it's gonna be the best ever I've seen. This might be the best that we can ever do, mate.
Yeah.
St. Paul's set done. We're now off to. We're off to CJ?
Leadenhall Market.
Leadenhall Market. Set 2, we are now at Leadenhall Market. Crazy, you got to see this place when there's actually work a lot and folks and just normal everyday life. It's so busy, so many people walking around here. Look at it, have a look. Mad architecture.
Oh wow.
Like proper art. We're gonna shoot a vlogging shot. We've got CJ on the camera right now. We're gonna shoot me vlogging on the promo, if that makes sense. I'm actually vlogging. So this is quite weird. It's like Inception. So I'm vlogging and then it's gonna go inside a promo video where I'm vlogging. So it's a vlog within a vlog, within a promo. It's like the 3rd layer down in Inception. That's my favourite film, by the way. Oh, check this out, guys. Pizza Express. Here's a story about Pizza Express. For about 4 years when Gigi came to this country, she didn't let me go to Pizza Express. She didn't like it. She said it was fake Italian food. And now she always lets me come to Pizza Express because she says I don't take her out enough. Like I said, I come here not too often, to be honest. I used to work around here, but this is just so busy. It's packed with just people and people, and you never get to appreciate what the hell you're even looking at or walking through. So Gigi does this face when she gets excited. Do you have a little face when you get excited? It's well funny. Check this out, folks. Look at that.
It's flames in the booth.
Unreal, mate. YouTube base. Give me a call, YouTube. Can't work for you. Yes, peeps. We are at location 3 today. It is super quiet. CJ hooking up with the locations.
It's black but golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting.
Guys, the video is going to be straight fire. I can't wait to see what CJ comes up with. We came home, picked up the little one, and we're now going to have some fun with some dinosaurs. And he's going to teach me something about dinosaurs. Give me
little baby dinosaurs.
Tell me something fun about dinosaurs.
They're so fun. So much to learn.
So there's so much to learn about dinosaurs. We're going to learn it right now. I'm so tired, but the show must go on. We need to go to dinosaurs we need to get to dinosaurs in the wild.
Dinosaurs in the wild, this way.
We got this one. He's super excited, and we're gonna make it an enjoyable day for him. We're gonna have fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna have fun. We don't shirk away from fun. We're not tired when there's fun to be had. Me and Gigi are dying. I was sleeping on the tube, but I got these shades on, so I was just pretending like I was awake. Yes, folks, we've finished at Dinosaur World. Ethan, how'd you find it?
It was good. I got a gigantic sword and one little egg puzzle.
Hooking my boy Ethan up with some toys. For those of you out there who think I'm the world's best uncle and I take my nephew everywhere, to be honest, my sister hooked these tickets up. Big up to my sister. So busy, I haven't had a chance to spend time with this little gangster, but I'm gonna make more of an effort. Gonna give him some time. What's the next adventure?
Safari.
Safari. We're getting Africa. Kenya. Gonna take him to Kenya apparently. 8 o'clock. About to upload this video, so about to edit this video up. It's been quite a kind of long vlog throughout 3 days, throughout the whole weekend. It's been beautiful. This weekend in London has been so hot, and just enjoyed the kind of behind the scenes, showing you what happens on kind of like these video shoots. I've been going through the video of the Legacy launch, kind of the giveaway video that I did in my last video on YouTube, and it's just phenomenal to hear such incredible stories like from all of you guys. I asked you guys to tell me sort of like a fun story or a wacky story or something about yourself, and some of these like messages that they're so powerful to hear how a lot of you have got into skipping, have come across the channel, and you've been suffering from like really crazy stuff and like gone through operations, and just like my heart goes out to everyone who's going through a tough time and the struggles, and that they're using this channel as motivation. And to be honest with you, it just humbles me amazingly, like to another level. And I always say, and I always say thanks, and I hope you guys don't get bored of me saying thanks, but again, I just like so much effort, so much blood, sweat and tears goes into this work that I do, into this channel, into the creation of things like the Legacy rope, the money rope, all the apparel, and like to see the thanks and to see the appreciation from you guys is so motivating. It's so inspiring for me to keep going. And like I'm running out of things to say, but there's so many of you out there that I truly believe, I feel like we're friends. I feel like I've known you for so long, and you guys know who you are. You've supported the channel from day one, and even if you haven't, even if you've just stumbled across the channel in the last few weeks, the last few days, thank you for subscribing, thank you for following, thank you for supporting this journey of ours. We work tirelessly, like we work so hard, and I don't want this little short segment to show you or tell you how hard I'm working, but just that time I had with my nephew, like yesterday, taking him to this dinosaur event was so amazing, and it kind of got me thinking that I've put so much time and effort into this kind of venture, into my own self, to fulfill my dreams, fulfill my legacy, to create this legacy, and to like get the most out there for you guys, that I'm even sometimes just pushing things back for my family, for Gigi, for my nephew, for just everyone, and I wish I had more time to give to everyone out there, to my closest friends and my family, but it's just maybe a little bit selfish, like for my part. It seems to feel a little bit selfish for my part, to be honest with you, because I'm just trying to grow, I'm trying to develop, I'm just trying to chase that dream of mine, to the point where some of you are even asking me, are we ever going to have kids and things like that, and that's just the last thing on my mind. I just don't have the time. You know, I work tirelessly at work, I've got that office job, and I come home and I just try and pour out as much valuable content to you. Editing takes 3-4 hours, product launches, dealing with the website, dealing with the suppliers, the manufacturers, dealing with your emails, the inquiries, social media, getting back to you. Like, I don't want this to be a soppy story. I don't want this to be a soppy story, but I want you guys to know that if you're ever going to go in to something for your own, you have to realize that this is the sacrifice. You're going to have to push aside friends, you have to push aside sometimes family, and you just have to do you. You have to believe in yourself. You have to make it happen. I'm coming back from major injuries, major surgery, and I've just dedicated these last 6 or 7 months to myself. So like, just go at it. Go get what you need to go get. Go chase those dreams, guys. Create your legacy. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, Ethan.
Bye. Bye, YouTube. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe.
All my life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up in the ocean until you see. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and